All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you like the stuff. On my website, you're going to see two classes. One is for stocks and one is for options. I recommend people to trade options because they're a lot, basically you're doing the same thing or similar thing, but you have to be a lot more disciplined with them. So if you trust yourself and you know how the strategy works, you learn it, then you can trade options really well. But if you are not really disciplined and you might not be able to really do things in a timely fashion or manner, then you probably want to stick with trading stocks because, at least stock, let's say Starbucks, is not going to go away anytime soon, right? Unless something happens with the company. So usually you want to buy a well-known company and stick with that stock and trade it with, with the strategy I show you, because even big companies, let's say Apple or, Home Depot or, all these big companies, Starbucks, let's look at Starbucks. They trade in a cycle. They don't consistently, it's not like they always go up. There's a cycle, right? And I show you how to analyze these charts. So this way you can see when is a good entry point during the day. So you don't really need to rush into a trading or investing, or, a lot of people think if you put $10,000 and forget about it in 100 years, yeah, it's going to probably turn to something great or maybe nothing. But, the point of investing is to make money work for you. And before, even, a lot of people are used to thinking that, they cannot do this stuff. They rather, work for an hour and get, like the president yesterday announced $15 an hour. You want to work for $15 an hour. It shows how much you are investing in yourself, right? What are you doing to invest in yourself, to make yourself smarter, right? What are you doing to make yourself valuable, okay? So these are the questions you should be asking. Are you that valuable that you work for $15 an hour? Or are you valuable enough to know that you could trade $100 and make $15 in 30 seconds, Like right now, this option is $1.36, $1.98, okay? So let's say we even kept it. We got in at $1.11, it doubled, right? You doubled your money, right? Let's say we kept this stock, right? We kept this option. You basically doubled your money in half an hour. So $100, $111, doubled your money, you got $222. Meanwhile, for $100, you could have been working, a couple hours for somebody. I don't know, to me, this doesn't make sense. But in any case, if you guys start to pick up on what I'm saying and are interested in learning new skills that can make you, money quickly, but it's not, it's not easy, right? People think like right now I'm doing this, it's easy, yeah, because I have experience. So what you need to do is you need to practice, and I show you how to do it. And once you learn how to do this, then it becomes easy. Right now it's trading at 202. So definitely take some classes. If you don't want to learn my strategy, there's a lot of people's strategies available online. A lot of people mastered this trading thing that Wall Street has been keeping secret, right? So yeah, you could learn it from them. There's actually a lot of traders I respect online that show people how to do it, but they're very high frequency trading. I just thought when I was learning, it was not like I was really wanted to know like how to read the chart. It's like reading. It's basically like knowing your alphabet, right? You just learn how to read the chart and you just follow the directions. Yeah. Anyway, my website stocktraderclass.com. It's always scrolling here on the bottom. You could take a look at that. There's two classes: stock